Transaction variants are probably one of the least used tools for getting a nice display to your users. What they are is you work on a screen that you have, and you can get rid of all kinds of things from the SAP screen and make it look really nice. So I'm on the transaction variant screen. It's FHD0. And so I'm going to enter in a transaction, and then I'm going to make up my own variant. And here we go. And then to start doing it, you just click create. So my material number is Michelle, and I want to get rid of that change number. So what's really nice is when you're doing it, it shows the contents. So if someone's typed in something, you probably don't want to save it. So for changed number, I'm just going to put 0, blank, invisible. So I'm going to pick just the basic data to go through. And I like this screen, so I'm leaving it alone. So what I want to do here is save it after the basic data. You'll notice that it's going subscreen to subscreen. So here it goes. The next one is the material and material description. They're filled, but automatically. And I can make them, well, they're going to fill, so I don't care. I'm going to green check that. So the next thing I see is the descriptions. And I don't want people to be able to delete a line, so I'm going to make them invisible. Now, to get rid of something completely, you just say, do not display screen. And I'm going to do that the rest of the way through because I want you to see how you have to save for your transport. And it gets really boring going through each of these subscreens. Probably could have selected a different thing to show you, but I know everybody uses the Material Master. Another nice ability to this, if you don't want to use authorization, is you can set this up, and if somebody just does the basic view, you give them your transaction and they can only go into the basic view through that. They can't get to anything else. So that's kind of nice. I haven't checked, any hacker ways to get around that. So you might want to double check and see, if they put in certain things, if it automatically goes to the next screen. But there. So I'm all done. I might want to name it. And then I'm going to save it. Now this is annoying. And I'm saving it as a local object because every single subscreen comes up. And it's going to drive you crazy, but you are not in a loop. You are just going through each subscreen to save to your transports. So I'm not going to show you that either. That will take a long time. So I'm going to show you the transaction code. Here's one of the transaction codes I made for this. Make sure you save it as a transaction variant. You want your real screen and then your transaction variant that you created, and make sure you check cross client. So then I'm going to test it. I did, in fact, get rid of that change number. See, everything comes up for me as an option. And if I go to my basic data, a whole lot of that screen is gone. So this is going to make somebody very, very happy. They only see what they would add, change, or delete information from. And it's a lot easier to look at than the entire screen. So that's the way you create transaction variants. Thank you for watching.